Good morning, welcome to the forecast discussion for June 6th, 2012. It is currently 7:27 a.m. and right now we do have some fog over portions of Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, and of course northern New Jersey. Now this fog will lift by about 10 a.m. and for the most part visibility ranges from about a mile to 2 miles, and that visibility is improving as the fog begins to lift. The rest of the northern mid-Atlantic is under scattered cloud cover with temperatures ranging from the lower 50s to mid 50s, which is pretty much near normal for this time of year. Overall, comfortable weather conditions are in place. Now, we continue to be in the same weather pattern that we've been in for much of this week. The good news is that our upper level low, which is currently around the Canadian Maritimes, continues to lift north and east very slowly. Now, as you can see, we have another series of disturbances diving south, and these disturbances will continue to bring a threat for a few isolated to widely scattered showers, but for the most part, most locations can expect scattered cloud cover with temperatures warmer today, ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast and lower to mid 70s elsewhere. When we take a look at the radar, you can see here's our one disturbance that is diving through the Mohawk River Valley and the central Hudson River Valley. Now what I'm expecting is that this area of showers will continue to dive south-southeast towards much of western Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, and the New York City metropolitan area for this afternoon. I expect these showers to be more scattered in nature and won't really be all that impressive at the end of the day. It really won't be all that heavy. But again, we'll continue to be under the threat for these scattered showers as they continue to migrate from northwest to southeast. If you're in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, western New Jersey, and much of eastern Pennsylvania, there will still be a threat for an isolated shower, but I think the focus is going to be more to the east towards the coast and towards New England for today. Now, when we take a look at the latest forecast guidance using the European model guidance, of course, from the Penn State eWall website, you can see for this evening, our upper level low continues to lift to the north and east. Our disturbance moves through again, a threat for a few isolated to widely scattered showers. Could impact the Yankee game for this evening, but again, I don't expect any washouts or anything of that nature. If anything, possibly a delay of the start of the game as the showers work through and dive into the Atlantic. For tomorrow, the upper level low continues to lift north and east. We're going to have less of an influence of these disturbances, thus showers will be even more isolated. Temperatures will moderate even more so in the lower to mid 70s along the coast and mid to upper 70s over the interior. By Friday, the threat for showers will be extremely limited, extremely isolated. Most locations can expect scattered cloud cover with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s along the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s elsewhere. Humidity is also going to be on the increase as more of a southwesterly wind starts to take hold at the surface and the mid-levels. By this weekend, this ridge is going to start to take hold over much of the eastern United States and it's going to remain in place for the next several days. For Saturday, you can see that ridge building in. Winds at the surface and at the mid-levels are going to be from the southwest, so expect an increase in humidity and temperatures ranging from the mid-80s to lower 90s for highs. A distinct warm-up is definitely in place with hazy, hot, and humid conditions expected for Saturday and for Sunday as our ridge dominates much of the eastern United States. A nice south to southwesterly flow will be in effect, with temperatures again ranging from the mid-80s to lower 90s. Of course, cooler conditions can be expected along the immediate coast. And really this ridge remains in place on through next week. There will be a threat for a cold front attempting to move through on Tuesday night. This cold front will be very weak. The majority of the cold air advection and lifting will be focused in Canada, but I can't rule out an isolated shower here or there and possibly even a thunderstorm on Tuesday evening. But for the most part, again, hazy, hot, and humid weather conditions will be in effect, and that ridge remains in place, locked in over the southeastern United States and also the Bahamas. And again, that's going to continue to produce a south to southwesterly wind at the surface and at the mid-levels, transporting very humid air into the northern Mid-Atlantic, and a continuation of hazy, hot, and humid weather conditions, temperatures ranging from the mid 80s to lower 90s. So if you're looking for more summer-like conditions, well, I got good news for you, because by this weekend on through next week, you're going to see that and experience it. So that's the forecast for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.